All right, HVAC people, baby, we're getting cold out here. I got probably about 44 degrees this morning. Hey, so we starting to cool down a little bit, starting to run more heat calls. Pretty get ready to run on a no heat call right now. But first, I want to share with y'all this exciting opportunity that Jobber is a sponsor of my channel. Jobber is for home service business out there. What they doing a giveaway. So if anybody click on my referral link and do a 14-day free trial of Jobber, because I advise anybody out there that has a home service business, get you a good CRM software. So start 2025 off right. But Jobber is giving away one of their grow plans. That's a $3,336 value. It's going to include the marketing. So if you want to do marketing campaigns, if you're an HVAC service out there and you want to grow your maintenance agreements, and if you have I have the Comfort 365 maintenance program. I like to send campaigns out about every 2 weeks. That's going to include it in the grow plan. So you got an opportunity to get a whole year of that for free. $3,336 value. Also, it helps you with your online presence as far as Google. Whenever a customer, you complete a job, you get paid, they're going to ask that customer to write a 5-star review. So the grow plan, but that is the way to go. So I advise anybody who's going to sign up with Jobber, especially if you're in HVAC, go ahead and sign up for the grow plan. It has a whole bunch of other integration, but one of the ones I love is like the job forms, where I can always enter the data. It's like a checklist. If I have some property managers that I do business with, and sometimes they have a checklist, so I can already put job forms that's come with the grow plan to say if I want to put model, serial number, the pressures, the electrical data, or they say if they had a weak capacitor, I can put all the filter sizes, and that helps me out when I go on some of these properties. I don't have to be, writing these things down. I can just get my Jobber app, go ahead and type it in, and it's going to send the customer a nice PDF with my business logo on there, the date when I was out there. I can set those job forms up exactly like I want to do it, and then everything match. Like I say, when I send a quote, when I send an invoice, everything going to have my business logo on there. Just look very, very professional. So, but somebody out there, they're going to win the grow plan. That's a $3,336 value. So start 2025 off right, and hey, that's a great, awesome opportunity. Especially if you're a startup or if you a seasoned business, you've been in business for a while. I mean, hey, you can put that $3,500 to something else. So go ahead and click on the referral link. You're gonna get a 14-day free trial. And this is YouTube. They're not sponsoring this. This is a Jobber. Jobber is doing this giveaway. So TikTok, Instagram, none of them are sponsoring this video right here or this giveaway. So, but I appreciate everybody out there. Hey, we got a no heat call here. We're gonna see what we can get into. All right, HVAC people. All right, and I did book this call through Jobber. I just sent the text message, let the customer know that I was on my way. I should be there in probably about 20 minutes. And should be an easy call. Guys say they just installed a furnace during the summertime, so it may be they left the gas valve off. I don't like to speculate. Sometimes they say they got a new unit installed, and it only be the evaporator and the condenser, and it's the old furnace. I run into that a lot, but let's see if it's something simple, or let's see if we can get some footage. All right, expect. All right, let's see what we got here. Like I said, it's 45 degrees out here. No heat. Says a new unit just installed this summer. Take a peek at that condenser. See, that condenser look new. That's why I say sometimes they just replaced the outside unit. Let's see if it's a complete install. Say the heater. Yep. Okay. You show me where the thermostat is? All right. Okay, all right, that's the ladder. Might need to move that chair. I'm gonna have to get up there. All right. All right, got old Nest thermostat. 70 degrees on the inside. See what I tell you. All right, see, I peeked on the outside scenes, a new condenser. Got a new evaporator. But that's an old furnace. Cause we got a Lennox furnace. I mean, look at that gas valve off. What I tell you. That's probably what it is right there for you. And look at all that water in the pan too. So that drain line might be clogged up. That might be all it is right there. Horizontal mean that it's off. But let me take some pictures. I'm gonna let them know. Cause a lot of time they think they got a whole new complete system because it went. Cause he told me it was installed during the summer. Could have had a leaky evaporator coil or something like that. As you can see, Lennox serial number is the nomenclature, third and fourth digit, I mean 2024. They got a new coil for sure. This look like a good one here. So good, man. The first 1 and 2 digits on the nomenclature on this serial number. So this furnace is a 2012. So it's 12 years old. All right. So I'm gonna take a picture of that. Show them. I know one thing, whoever did this install, not the business owner. Good money right there. 15% or 5%. I think I'm gonna try to flush that drain line out for him. And I'm gonna leave this valve off right now, just show y'all what it's doing. I'm gonna leave this off. We're gonna turn it to heat mode. inducer fan, they go to igniter. See, gas valve. Gas valve, click no gas. I'm gonna turn this on. It's gonna be our problem. It's gonna try it again. Inducer. Try it again. They go to igniter. Gas valve should open now. There you go. So make sure it stay on. That's all it was, folks. Easy money. See where gas valve going. Let that run. I'm running to get my vacuum wet vac. Get some of that water out of there. Good to go. Get your drain right. I'm gonna try to hit it from right here. Good to go. Get your drain right. I'm gonna try to hit it from right here. For that's too easy. Let me take a look at this unit. It look new, yeah. See, 2024 right there. So they got a straight cool split system, but it still got the old furnace. Hey, this is the easiest call ever. So hey, remember, Somebody got the opportunity, home service business got the opportunity out there to win Jobbers Growth Plan. That's a $3,300 value, and it comes with the marketing. This is the only call I had booked today, so I'm going to go work on my business and try to grow my business and try to send some of these marketing campaigns. So anybody, if you're interested in signing up for a good CRM software, click on the link in the description below. And remember, to December 31st, somebody got an opportunity to win Jobbers Growth Plan. That's a $3,300 value. You can send marketing campaigns that I'm going to go do now. I'm going to try to send some out and try to grow my maintenance side. And also I got some air scrubbers, that's air purifiers that I'm gonna do maybe by like a 10% off deal with them. I'm gonna send that marketing campaign also. And also tell them they can get an early start on hurricane season and try to sell some easy starts for these condensers out here. Or some soft starts. They can hook them on to their condensers and run a generator at the same time. I'm going to send a marketing campaign for that also. So, hey, click on the link in the description below. You got December 31st. Somebody's going to win that Jobber Grow and Marketing plan where you can send your Google reviews also. Hey, awesome deal. So go ahead and start 2025 off right. If you don't have a CRM software, or if you're thinking about upgrading your CRM software, hey, Jobber's giving a free trial. And with that free trial is one of your home service businesses out there, HVAC contractor, electrician, lawn care, my appliance, repair guys. You got an opportunity to win that growth plan. Just imagine that you got a free CRM software for the whole year to get you a boost off, and you can spend that money elsewhere. So, hey, good luck out there. I hope somebody from my channel win that growth plan. Go ahead and grow your business. All right, HVAC people, we out.